Voters will soon head to the polls, deciding who will lead them into the future.
In Bentonville, the city's highest office is on the ballot.
It's a growing city. It's thriving, it's expanding, it's evolving.
It's steeped in history as it's racing towards the future. But what is that path? There are struggles, there are concerns.
And we all know there's traffic.
How does a city continue to grow up while staying firmly rooted in what makes Bentonville, Bentonville?
Vying for the job of Bentonville Mayor, the incumbent Stephanie Orman.
What's coming to the city is amazing.
Running against the challenger, businessman Steve Galen.
To get engaged with the community.
What are their plans for the next 4 years? Find out next.